Guys, today in this video I'm going to be doing a review on the I will be doing a review on the gun called the Secret Forces rifle in Pixel Gun. Sorry if it's not reversed here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There should be no more whistle. Yeah. There. Gone. Yes. So basically, I'm going to be doing a review of the Secret Forces rifle. So when we look at it in the shop, it looks pretty cool. I mean, look at it. It's like the Hellraiser, but a bit more advanced. The gold skin doesn't come with it because you have to get level 27. No, you have to get to Admin League, I think, and to unlock it. It's similar to Casanova. Is it better? At certain times, yes. For long range, it's better than the Casanova, but at short range, the Casanova wins because it's smaller and more compact. So that's pretty cool. It's a word of legendary, so not many people have it, but it's very popular. Like, because it's a level 27, not the majority of players are under level 27. So you're gonna have a lot of people who are don't have this weapon. It's automatic. It's silent. Silence doesn't really matter in this game because everybody has their volume turned up to the full max, and it's actually really cool. So the best things are that of this weapon are that you should always have keep your mind to the job. Okay, you should always, be yourself with weapons. Nice passionate speech doesn't make a difference though. So we're gonna go into the army section, and we're gonna go to the Secret Forces rifle, and we're gonna go to Deathmatch, and we're gonna go to the Paradise Resort. So, quick info, I'll be uploading a video tomorrow if I have time, because I'm in this stupid camp. I'm uploading a video tomorrow about this, little cheat you can do for, to get weapon discounts, so check that out too. This is the first video of Pixel Gun I've done on the channel. Hopefully it's a good video, because I don't want it to be terrible, people, not enjoying my content, which that would suck, because you don't put effort into something and then nobody shows up for it, like a birthday party. And this person's like really skilled for that thing. They might be having auto aim on, so they lock onto a target. It's just killed so quickly, this weapon. I mean, oh god, it's killing me. Oh, it was a invisible person. Where are they? Oh, it was killed. The laser crossbow is like a one shot, isn't it? It's like a 1 or 2 shot to fully add armor player. I think it's a 1 shot. Oh, I got killed. Okay, I'm gonna get off this. One sec. What happened there? Look, I just killed that guy there. Oh shoot, I'm getting hit by it. Okay, loading 99%. Well, oh shoot, I'm getting hit again. No, I got killed there. Don't aim for body shots with this weapon. You can get kills, but not as fast with headshots. And this person's spamming the thing. I might as well do this game. I'm not gonna get the best gameplay with people using laser weapons. I want better. I want Mafia Cottage Shot. I feel it, I'm gonna try and review all the higher weapons and then go down, because I feel like there's not enough videos out there showing of the higher levels. Guns like level 17 to level 27, and all those weapons you get. It's just kind of cool. So there's 3 other people in this map. And hopefully this person isn't using Sparboy Bazooka. Oh my god, he's using one of the worst weapons I've ever seen. It kills people so quickly with the headshots, Okay, there's somebody there. There, easy kill. Headshots are easy with this weapon, so it's not to worry about. I like the design, Mafia Mansion. It's very nice and groovy. No, I got 2 kills there. Oh, I was killed by a sunrise, which I got a multi-kill there, which is okay. I've got more. I got Fury kills just once, but I mean twice. They're not that easy to get when you're in Advent League. Oh shoot! Yep, that there. Oh shoot! There's something there. You may be asking, are you the same kid from the Car Park channel? Yes, I am. In the corner here on a bookshelf. Oh shoot. Yes, it's easy to get kills with this weapon. Like, I did drafts for this video, and they turned out horrific. I didn't get any kill streaks whatsoever. Like, it was just stupid. So I'm just gonna. Oh no. I was gonna try to get a monster kill streak. I mean, an ultra. Kill. What? Nope. I think an ultra is what you should be getting in an average game in team fight. I think multi-kill is pretty good in deathmatch when people are using the dragon spark and everything. Oh, that laser bounced off the wall and hit me in the back. I'm first in this, so it's pretty. It's just satisfying to win one of these games because you just feel like you set an accomplishment and all. Oh, grenade went off there. So, it's really cool, guys. It's a really good weapon. I really recommend it. I mean, it just has that extra thing you want, you know? There's another game in this now, I'll show you. A jetpack to get up here. Okay. I'm gonna go around the corner. Watch this, so he doesn't suspect I'm coming. But he's a secret watcher as well, too. But he had the 2. But if they don't see you coming, you've got them killed if you can get the headshots. This guy flies out of here. Okay, couldn't get him there. Yes, I got him. Let's get inside here before we get absolutely destroyed by the laser bouncer. I used to be first, but now I got second. Nobody wants to team. This is just that match. I mean, I'm pretty sure nobody would actually do team. I tried to do team in Deadly Games, it ended terrible because the guy ended up killing me. And I asked if he wanted me to get spawned team, make a peace deal, or just make this game a draw, so that none of us would lose anything. But he just said, yeah, sure. I went over to the spawn and he was just like shooting at me like hell. I actually killed him because I had the flamethrower. He came up with like a knife, I think, like a pistol or something. But I got a decent kill, you know. I'm not doing as well as I did last thing because I'm not getting the headshots since I'm using the Stormhammer, so pretty unlucky here. Yeah, the Stormhammer. I might leave this server if people continue to use the Stormhammer because it's not a very friendly weapon. Unless that person's obviously hacking. Oh no, he isn't. I just was showing the red when he was getting hit, so I thought he was hacking. Okay, got the headshots there. I think the only problem with this map is that it's very there's a couple of glitches in it. I'm not entirely sure the details of it, but I think there's one where you can get out of the map where you can basically you can jump you can jump at this map, which is really stupid. It's just really stupid. You should jump across the map and you can jump over the map. That's just insane. Like, you could get, imagine how much kills you'd get. You'd be up to the map. I think it might get patched the new 12.11, but no, but one update. But that's besides the point. Our focus is in the day on the Secret Forces rifle. So I may be a noob in this game. Tell me if I'm not. Tell me if I am. I don't really know. But what I do know is that being a noob doesn't mean that you're useless to everybody. It means that you have a less skill level than most people. But that you aren't ready for the big game. You know, like when you get to level 20, things start actually to grind up. You start finding there are more experienced players than you, and you're like, how am I dying? Well, when they're killing you, you get frustrated. You start like thinking you're useless at this game. You'll never be good. That's not the attitude I have, because you just come into level 20. I mean, you don't own the place, you know. Some people have been around level 20 for like months now. I mean, they already know the competition. You don't. Yeah. So guys, hope you enjoy that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. I'm not sure if it will be any other day, but tomorrow seems like a pretty good day. So see you later.